the beginning is always the most difficult part to start with. Hi, this is Parvin. I am a marketer. No, cut it. Glasses pen lo. I started marketing as an alternative to a programming career after my engineering days, and that's how I landed up in MBA, and I realized I love marketing. As a marketer, I have no time for coding nor any major inclination to do so. In fact, I hate coding. I detest coding. My hatred for coding goes way back to my undergrad days when, as an electronics engineer, the only way out of IT was to do a business course immediately afterwards. I thought I had made my way out of coding, but karma, I forgot.
Hi, morning. What languages are you familiar with?
Java, Java.
C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Swift.
Sir, I'm very fluent in written and spoken English. I know Assamese, Hindi, Bengali.
Okay.
HTML, R, React Native, Ruby on Rails.
So my next question would be, how would you sell chocolate to a diabetic patient?
Chocolate, sir.
Everybody loves chocolate, sir. Why should we go market them? You just give them one, they'll take it off.
Sir, but diabetic patients should not eat chocolates, no, sir.
I think we have to position the chocolates in a different manner. We can say that we have the first ever sugar-free, diabetic-friendly chocolates in the world, and then we can have campaigns with hashtags such as No Sugar Day, Say Hello to Chocolates, Alternate Chocolates, Alt Chocolates, stuff like that.
Write a piece of code to find out if a 5-digit number is a palindrome. And also, write an article about palindrome. Okay? Good luck! Looking at it, I see I have to go with Parvin. So Arjun, I'm really sorry. We only have one vacancy and that goes to Parvin.
Karma is a sandwich. It always brings you face to face with things that you want to run away from and the things that you are afraid of. I landed up a job as a product marketer for Zoho Creator. I'm all happy, I'm excited. I envision myself as this brand ambassador that my product needs. But I forgot one important aspect of marketing. Of all the P's in the marketing mix, what is the first P about? The product. And what is Zoho Creator?
So you know Zoho Creator is actually an online platform which helps you build web applications. I have to mention it's a low-code platform.
Did you hear the words low code there? So this is my story of how I went on from dreading coding to still dreading coding and yet building 30 apps in 30 days on the low-code platform. Now, why did I do it and how did I do it? Hopefully, you'll get some lessons out of it. And this is what this series is about.